Oke, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today usually I would like to make a video tutorial again. It's about networking, but the topic today is different with the before. That before I have made about the IGRP series tutorial, yes, start from basic configuration and then IGRP filtering using distribute list, prefix list, and then manipulation administrative distance, and then IGRP named config and redistribution, guys. In here I would like to make a tutorial still about dynamic routing protocol, but using OSPF. So before we configure the OSPF configuration, you can open your FNG and then make topology like in this display, like me. Just use 3 router. The topology is still same with lab IGRP before. Okay, so OSPF is a link state routing protocol. Yes, if the IGRP is hybrid routing protocol, that the basic is distance vector, but he have also feature link state that there is in IGRP. But OSPF is link state routing protocol that he search the best path or the best way for go to the destination is using algorithm Dijkstra or by see the minimum cost. The little cost will be the way that have a little cost, that will be the best path or the best way for going to the destination. Okay, if we already make this topology, so we can make the router on first. Okay, after that we will go to the first router for configure the IP loopback and IP address to all router in here. Okay, wait guys. After we add IP address and IP loopback, we will advertise into the OSPF, guys. After this, we will I will make a tutorial again about OSPF, but other topic, yes. For the first video OSPF, I will make just a basic configuration OSPF to advertise IP network, IP address, and IP loopback. Okay, so you can open the router first. Wait ya guys, because this is the new router, it take 1 minute maybe. Okay, maybe I will pause first. Okay guys, now already ya, like usual, we can write no and then wait again. Okay, so this is the new router that we have add in the topology FA. So we must configure again from 0. I will change hostname first for make we not how to say ketuker, and then router 2 enable configure terminal. Okay, like this. Okay, so if already we change the host name, we will add IP loopback in the router 1, fetch loopback 0, we add 1111 using /23, then exit, and then we will go to the interface Ethernet 0/0 for add IP address and there. Yes. Okay, and then don't forget no shutdown for make the interface is on, guys, or active. Yes. Okay, so we go to the second router. In here also we will add IP loopback, and then in the router 2, because he have two links that connect to the router 1 and router 3, so we must add IP address at interface Ethernet 0/0 and also Ethernet 0/1. Okay, let's go. So we will add IP address for the loopback first. Okay, if already add IP address loopback, exit, then go to the first interface. Visit that Ethernet 0/0. This Ethernet 0/0 is connect to the router 1, so we will add IP address. IP add, and then using /24 also. Then no shutdown. So exit, and then interface, the second interface, that the link is connect to the router 3, that is Ethernet 0/1. IP add. In here we can see network 23 using /24, guys. Then no shutdown and exit, do right. Okay, so now we will go to the router 3 for add IP loopback in here and IP address. Then exit and go to the interface Ethernet 0/0. The Ethernet 0/0 is connect to the router 2 using a network 23 using /24 or prefix. Then no shutdown, guys, don't forget, and then do right. Okay, so now we already configure all IP address and IP loopback for the all router in this topology. So now we will advertise this IP address into the routing protocol OSPF. Okay, so you can follow this configuration. We can write router OSPF 1, and then we can add router ID for the tag OSPF. If we not configure the router ID, so OSPF will choose IP loopback for the router ID later, or that will be also the, if you don't have IP loopback, OSPF will choose the biggest IP or the highest IP in the interface, guys. So the good one is you make the router ID. Okay, so if we already add router ID, we can advertise the network in the first router. I will advertise the loopback in here. This is same with EGRP using wildcard mask. Sorry. After we advertise the network in the OSPF, there is also the name is area. In OSPF routing protocol, you must have the backbone area or area 0. After that, if you want to make a new area like area 1, 2, 3, that can be, but the other area is must connected in the area 0. If the example area 2 that's not connect to the area 0, so there is also the feature, the name is OSPF virtual link, that's make the other area that not connect into the backbone area is can communicate using virtual link, but the default is cannot. Okay, that's just a feature in OSPF. if the other area is not connect into the backbone area. Okay, so we will add area 0, nah like this, and then we will advertise the network 2022. Okay, and then 12, and then using /24 area 0 again, because this is the basic configuration. Okay, if ready, we can exit and then do right. Okay, so we go to the second router. We will add router OSPF1 and then add router ID, ya, ID, and then advertise the network of the loopback first. Area 0, and then network this the network that connect into the router 1. Yes, area 0. Wait, typo guys. Okay, and then network that connect into this network is connect into the router 3, guys. Area 0, and then exit and then do right. Okay, there is a log message in here, guys. You can see network Ethernet 0/0. This already connect this router 2 and router 1, ya. So now the last we will advertise network in the router OSPF for router 3, guys. Router OSPF1, then add the router ID and advertise the network IP loopback first. Network 32. Okay, already we configure and then exit and do right. This is already the log message that router 3 is already connect or being agency with router 2, ya. So in here we can verification using do show IP route for see the routing table, ya. This is, you can see the IP loopback of router 1 is already in the routing table of router 3. The status is O or OSPF, the meaning. This is also the loopback of router 2 and network router 1 in here already, guys. Okay, so we can check also in the router 1 do show IP route. This already also loopback router 3, and last we will ping from the router 1 to the router 3. Okay, the success rate is 100%. That the meaning is the configuration is going well and successful, guys. Okay, same success rate is 100%. Okay, don't forget to save the configuration first. So maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have many mistakes. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my YouTube. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.